Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can overcome an Android mobile phone that is slow and less responsive. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android phone, and first thing first, you need to optimize your Android mobile phone. If your Android mobile phone is getting slower and less responsive, you can go to the setting and then go to the device care. You can go to the device care setting, and here you will be able to optimize your Android mobile phone. Just click this optimize now option. Okay, and you just need to wait until the process has completed, and then you can click on done. And the second one guys, I'm going to show you the tips to optimize your Android mobile phone. You can go to the apps menu or the app setting, and you have to delete the app cache. For instance, I'm going to delete my CapCut application cache. I'm going to click on the application, and then we're going to go to the storage. Okay, and click on clear cache, and you can do it one by one for all your application in your Android mobile phone. You just need to do this step I have told you before. I'm going to delete my Facebook cache. I'm going to click on Facebook and then click on storage and click on cache. Okay, you just need to repeat the step. Click on the application and go to the storage and clear cache. Alright guys, and that's all the way to overcome an Android mobile phone that is slow and less responsive. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.